guys, we're going to continue talking about retail. Let's bring in Lori Wachs. She's a fund manager at Delaware Investments who follows the retail sector. So, Lori, who do we think some of the big winners are going to be this earnings season and this really holiday season?
I would expect Nordstrom's to show a really good number tomorrow. They were, one of the big beneficiaries last month, surprised everybody with a comp of up around 6%. So we were waiting for that higher-end consumer to start to come back out and shop, and it really seems that they have some momentum there now.
Lori, this is obviously one of the better-performing retailers out there. Nordstrom's up almost 170% this year. So where do you put those two stories together?
In terms of valuation,
Exactly.
This is the quality leader, and when you come off of these post-recessionary periods, they often get a multiple of around 20 times. So we're somewhere below that now. And again, people tend to underestimate the upside on gross margins in a period where, as you were just discussing, inventories are way down. They have to chase the goods. Expenses have been cut. So you could see some real meaningful upside to the earnings there.
Hey, Lori, it's Adam. On Nordstrom, we had heard possibly that the inventories are so low they may have to go out and grab some of the spring merchandise just to keep things on the shelves if, in fact, sales are as good as they expect them to be.
I know that they've been working closely with their vendors to pull receipts forward. So hopefully they're not going to be pulling in kind of resort wear just as people are going out to buy Christmas goods. But, you often see that they have to pull receipts forward and try to get better in stock, which is a nice problem for these retailers to have after the year of marking it down and hoping that they could finally sell it.
Lori, just got a few seconds here. Macy's out today, reported a third-quarter loss, forecast full-year earnings that trailed analyst estimates. But as Adam pointed out, they've been kind of bumping up those estimates. Stock's down a bunch. What's going on here with Macy's?
I guess it's just a case of expectations getting a little bit ahead of the story. If you look sequentially through the quarter, comps continue to improve. They guided down 1 to 2%. They had been looking for more than that. They ended the quarter down just a little bit shy of 1%. So we think they'll beat their gross margins. Same thing. They seem to be real conservative on their margin line. So under promise and hopefully over deliver.